Hello everyone, this is Dennis from Multi Mulk. Today we'll be speaking some differences between Turkish market and Dubai market for our investors. For the investors in Turkey, which are, let's say, trying to expand their investments and, let's say, income outside Turkey, Dubai is coming for the top choice according to many other investors in the world, and Multi Mulk is here to assist you and guide you about this process. So in Dubai, did you know that unlike Turkey, there is no income tax for Dubai, not for you, not for your company, not for anything other than VAT, which is like value included tax, that you buy products from market and such as cars, and even that is 4 times less than Turkey. In Turkey it's 20% and in Dubai it's 5% only. And with that 5% only, that is the only tax you'll be paying. So all your income is in your pocket, and I believe you are happy. For those people who are chasing 2-3% even in extra income, this is a great opportunity to invest in Dubai. I highly suggest you to check this out and consult us for your further questions, and Multi Mulk will be answering it. One other thing I would like to explain you, that with the prices in Dubai that you can invest in real estate, the product you are getting is far more better and higher quality than what you get in Turkey. For example, for the same amount that you should be paying for a golden visa, which is around 2 million dirham, 2 million Arab Emirates dirham, you are paying around 20 million Turkish lira, or let's say $540,000, something like that. And with this payment, you are getting a golden visa in Dubai. But with this exact investment payment, if you pay for a residence in Turkey, what you're getting is around 150 square meters apartments, 150 square meters like flats. And in Dubai, what you're getting is over 400-500 square meter buildings, which are like heaven. You have your own private pool, you have your like multiple bedrooms. They, according to their competitors, they have such big apartments, and they are as well centralized. In Turkey, you might get this 150 square meter flat in a not really centralized area for the same price. But in Dubai, what you're getting is everything close to E11, the main road, E44, main road, and like such as Burj Khalifa, downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, and Palm Jumeirah. All of these main areas, the centralized locations, even public transport is close to what you're getting, as well as this big apartments you're paying for. So, with all that being said, Multi Mulk is coming to Dubai in September, and we will be there to answer your questions. Anything you might need to know the answers for regarding Turkish market, regarding Dubai market, we will be there to assist you with your questions on spot. See you in Dubai in September. Thank you.